Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Myself Ganesh. Today we are talking about this concept of this container volume. So volume, how we can share the volumes and how we can share their data in between this container to container and from this host to container. So there are basically two ways. So we can map our volume either from container to container or from host to container. So basically this volume is nothing but the directory. So whatever the directory we have mapping or sharing in between this container to container. So the data which is available on your volume or in your directory, so it will share to this container. Okay. So how we can do it? So the basically this container will create contain means volume will be created in one container only. So whatever the volume we have created on your host machine, so that volume we can share on your container. So now we are going to create one volume on my Docker. So how we can do it? First I'm going to check the images. Is there any images available or not? So this command you can check. So these are the images are available on my machine. So I'm going to kill all these images first. So the command is docker space rm space. First I need to check the container name. So docker space rm space container name. Then you need to delete another container, docker space hyphen rmi. And if you want to delete your images, you can delete it using this rmi command. Images, yeah. So now only one image is now available and one container is available, which is in stop mode, right? So these are the two things I have available on my machine. Now I am going to create one docker file, and using that docker file first we will map or create one volume under this container directly. Okay, so there is one docker file. So under this docker file, just I'm going to remove all these things which I have already created. And from ubuntu, that means my image which is available on my system. Okay, so I'm going to mention that is volume space square bracket. Under that I'm going to create one volume with the name. Volume is nothing but your directory, right? So directory name I am specifying that is Ganesh, and I'm closing my double inverted comma and close my square bracket. Okay, I'm saving this configuration. Now this docker file is created. Now first I need to create one image using this docker file. So the command is docker space hyphen build space hyphen t space, and you need to specify your image name. So the image name I am giving that is volume image. Okay, space dot. So this dot is specifying for this docker file. So this docker file will automatically take it from this directory. Okay, so now you can check the image either it is created or not. So this image is now created. So using this image we can create one container. So under that container that volume will create. Okay, so first we can check this directory that volume is. Okay, so the command is docker space hyphen run space hyphen it space hyphen name space, and giving the name volume container, or you can say container one. Okay, no issue, container one space. You need to specify the image name space slash bin slash bash. Okay, so now this container is created. So under slash you can check this volume will create with the name Ganesh. Okay, so this is my volume which I have created. So under that volume there is no content is available right now. So I'm going under this volume, and just I'm going to create some files under this volume. Make directory s1, s3, s4. So some data I have created. Now we can check this volume is created with this volume, and this volume will shareable to other containers. So how we can do it? Okay, so first we have created one docker file. Using that docker file we have mentioned that one volume will create under this container, which will create using this docker file. And the docker file we have created one image, and using that image we have created one container. That's the name is container one, right? So this part is now covered. Now we can share this container to another container. So now we are going to create another container. So first, how we can do it, right? So this, okay, one moment. Okay, so now we are going to create one another docker from this existing docker. So this docker is already having one volume, and that volume name is Ganesh. And under this directive we have created some files, so that files we can share under this using this volume on this new container. So now we are going to create another container with this existing container. So how we can do it, right? So first I'm going to exit from this container, and I need to type one command, that is docker space run space hyphen it hyphen name, and we need to mention this new container name. Okay, so giving this container, that is new container one. Okay, so this is my new container name, and here I need to mention some privileges, like privilege hyphen is equals to true space hyphen volume hyphen volumes hyphen from space. You need to mention your previous container, so from which container you are going to create new container. So that container name you need to mention, that is your container one. And here you need to mention your image, so from which image you want to create. So this container one is created from this image, that is my volume image. So you need to mention that volume image space slash bin slash bash. So this is the command you need to use. So this is my new container name, and this is my old container name, and this is the image I am going to use. So from this image I have created that container one, and using this container one I am going to create new container one. Okay, enter it. So here it is getting one error, that is privilege. So this privilege, okay, is equals to, yeah, it's working. Now another container is created, so you can check under slash Ganesh, there is one directory, and the files which I have created and some directories under that volume we have created. So that container is also stopped in, but that volume which I have created under that container one, so that container volume is now shared with my new container. So this is the process to create your container with the, to share your volume. So whatever the volumes you have created, so you can share. So there are two ways. So we have seen this one process, that is container to container, so how we can share our volumes. So now in next video we will do this volume creation, and to share that volume from our host to on on your physical host. So that my physical host is my EC2 instance which I have created on my AWS account. So using that EC2 instance, so I can share one volume to my new container. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.